Hey guys, how to build a balanced deck in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first of all, go ahead and double check if there is any new update coming, including the Pokemon TCG. Alright, and if there isn't, just go ahead and move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Pokemon TCG Pocket, and for first, you need to basically include 20 to 25 cards of Pokemon. Include mix of basic Pokemon and evolution lines, and ensure you have enough attackers and support Pokemon. And by selecting, by unpacking, the cards from here. Okay, the Pikachu or this dinosaur or the genetic Apex or Mio 2, right? And for energy, you need to collect 12 to 16 cards. Include the right amount of energy for your Pokemon attacks, focusing on 1 to 2 types. And you have the trainer cards. You need to collect 20 to 25 cards. Include a mix of item supporter and stadium cards to support your strategy. Have cards that help draw, heal, or disrupt opponent. And you have that. Lastly, which is an important point, consistency. Aim for 3 or 4 copies of key cards to increase consistency. Balance attackers, energy, and support cards to maintain flexibility. All right. Test and tweak your deck to improve synergy and gameplay flow. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.